This is CNN Breaking News.
We have breaking news coming out of Yosemite National Park. America's very first zoological reserve containing prehistoric organisms, including dinosaurs, has opened to the public. This zoo has captured a lot of attention, not only from the American public, but the rest of the world as well. Joining us now are the builders of the park, William Anderson and Lauren Madison. Why did you both build this magnificent zoo?
We have built this park so that we can inspire the world to build similar zoos with prehistoric animals from the Paleozoic and Mesozoic eras, as well as educate the masses of people who want to learn more about the animals in those zoos.
Our zoo has plenty of attractions that can entertain, satisfy, and fascinate visitors. We even have very popular dinosaurs like the T-Rex, Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Brachiosaurus, and the Iguanodon. Also, our zoo has hotels for those who actually want to stay in our park for a while.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services, in conjunction with Southern California Edison and the California Highway Patrol. At 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a nuclear power plant warning has been issued for residents within a 20-mile radius of the Diablo Canyon power plant following a partial meltdown of Reactor 1. In addition, since the plant is also powering the Archaea Zoo in Yosemite National Park, it could cause many of the prehistoric organisms to escape containment. The following counties that are affected: in California, San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Kern, Kings, Tulare, Ventura, Fresno, Inyo, Madera, Mono, Mariposa, Tuolumne, Alpine, Calaveras, Amador, and El Dorado counties. And in Nevada, Douglas, Lyon, Mineral, Esmeralda, and Nye counties. If you're in the vicinity of the Diablo Canyon power plant, or the Archaea Zoo, evacuate immediately. Make sure to take non-perishable food, water, and supplies that will last for 14 days. This is KEYT-TV, and we will continue to serve the Santa Barbara area. More updates will follow as information becomes available.
The whiskey in your soda, the lime to your Corona, shotgun in your Tacoma, the Audrey to your Hank. She's got a little style and a Hollywood smile, but believe me, honey, good as money in the bank. I'm everything she is and everything she ain't.
Civil danger for much of Central and Southern California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services in conjunction with the National Park Service. A civil danger warning has been declared in Central and Southern California until further notice. Due to the meltdown of the Diablo Canyon power plant in San Luis Obispo County, some of the organisms in the Archaea Zoo have escaped containment. The following species that have escaped include Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Quetzalcoatlus, Tyrannosaurus rex, Ankylosaurus, Parasaurolophus, Australopithecus, and Utahraptor. All residents in Central and Southern California must shelter in place in order to avoid being attacked or killed by these creatures. To shelter in place, turn off all lights. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors. Do not use any electrical devices that emit light, as this may attract the creatures. Make sure you have non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. The California National Guard will try to keep the creatures in their respective exhibits. Please stay tuned to commercial radio and local media outlets for further information on this life-threatening situation.